I founded Biolab in 1991. The aim was to produce plant-based products of organic origin. Over these 30 years, there has been a very important evolution in both the market and the production area. We observed the change in food consumption habits and saw what was happening in refrigerators of large-scale retail trades, in the specialized shops, for what concerned the meat sector, and we replicated it in a vegetable key. All the equipment you see behind me is the same equipment and machinery that is used in the meat industry. Currently, our plant-based cold cuts represent almost half of the company's turnover, which reached €11 million last year. We currently sell around 60% of our products abroad and in major European retail chains. This is an example of our pre-sliced products, obtained in our clean room with Weber slicers. The choice of a Weber slicing machine has allowed us to achieve this slice arrangement within the packaging, and it also gives a very aesthetic and attractive touch to our customers. Today, a few years after the startup of the Slicing Center, we can say that our customers are very satisfied with the choice we made, because our lines only run plant-based products, which is an important aspect of our industry. Another advantage of our Slicing Center is that we have reduced response times for our customers, both for normal pre-sliced product service, but also for the development of new products. This is because, together with Weber experts, it's much easier and faster to design and implement a specific program for new formulations, textures, structures, or new sizes of our sliced products. This is also a very important added value. The customer of Biolab's challenge was to slice vegetable products with a constant weight. We therefore decided to supply Biolab with a Weber slicer, version 405, with an integrated scale. One of the strengths, from my point of view, about Niederweise and Weber is the service level. There is efficiency, there is immediate response, and a presence in the case of urgent maintenance. Our next choices will always rely on Niederweise and Weber.